Hey BioEduHub fam, have you ever wondered how a sunflower knows to turn toward the sun, or how a tiny seed becomes a giant tree, or why some fruits are so sweet and others are sour? Believe it or not, plants are making decisions every second, but not with a brain. Instead, they use something called gene expression. And today we're going to uncover this secret world inside plants. So, what exactly is gene expression? Think of a plant's DNA as a giant cookbook. Inside, there are thousands of recipes, or genes, that control everything from leaf shape to flower color, from growth speed to defense against pests. But here's the interesting part. Plants don't read all the recipes at once. Instead, they carefully choose which ones to cook, depending on what they need at that moment. This process of turning certain genes on and off is what we call gene expression. Imagine a scorching hot summer day. While we might grab an ice cream or turn on a fan, but plants can't move. Instead, they activate special genes that help them conserve water, protect their cells, and survive the heat. When it gets colder, they flip on a different set of genes to prepare for winter. It's like they have a built-in survival manual, and they're reading it constantly. And this is not just about survival. Gene expression also controls flowering. Have you ever seen cherry blossoms burst open in spring? That's because as days get longer and temperatures rise, plants switch on genes that say it's time to bloom. The timing is so precise it almost feels like plants are watching the calendar. Even the taste and color of our favorite fruits come down to gene expression. A green banana turning yellow or a sour fruit becoming sweet. All of this happens because certain genes are turned on or off during ripening. Next time you eat a juicy strawberry, remember, a symphony of genes work together to make it delicious. So how do scientists figure all this out? They use advanced tools to measure which genes are active in a plant at different times, like creating a molecular snapshot of what's happening inside. By comparing these snapshots in stressed versus healthy plants, or in blooming versus non-blooming ones, researchers learn which genes control which behaviors. But why should we care? Well, by understanding gene expression, scientists can create crops that survive extreme droughts, resist diseases, or produce more nutritious food. With climate change threatening global food supplies, this knowledge isn't just interesting, it's essential for our future. So the next time you see a flower opening or bite into a fruit, think about the hidden language of genes that made it possible. Plants may seem silent and simple, but deep inside, they're busy reading recipes and making choices to thrive and surprise us. What plant behavior fascinates you the most? Let me know in the comments or share it with someone who loves plants. And if you enjoyed this journey into the secret life of plants, don't forget to follow BioEduHub for more stories that connect science to our everyday lives.